morning, students. Today we are going to study the 12th chapter of our social studies textbook. The name of the chapter is Travel Around. Before we start our chapter, can you give the answer of these questions? Question number 1. How do you go to school every day? Your answer is by school bus or by walk, right? Second question. If you have to go to another city to meet your friend, how will you go? By car or by train? Right? Third question. If you have to go to meet your cousin in another country, how will you go? By aeroplane or by ship? Correct? So you can see traveling is very important in our day-to-day life. Now, let's start the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to study about the invention of wheel, types of transport and road safety. Let's start with the first point, invention of the wheel. The invention of the wheel has been a blessing for mankind. Transport is the lifeline of every country. Wheel was invented many years ago and still is in use now. It is considered the biggest invention of mankind. The reason being said, this can be explained with an example. Suppose you want to move a big box, it would be very difficult. But think of it, if the box had wheels, it will be so easy to move. That is why wheel is very important in order to transfer goods and even people. Now, we will talk about types of transport. Transport can be broadly divided into 3 types: land, air and water transport. Let's talk about the first one, land transport. Some means of transport run only on land, like cars, buses, rickshaws, metro, trains, etc. That is why they are called land transport. Land transport is the most common means of transport to travel people and goods from one place to another. Light and heavy goods are transported by trucks and railways. Animals have been the oldest means of transport. In the mountain regions, horses, donkeys, mules are used to carry people and goods. In villages, horse carts, bullock carts and camel carts are still used for carrying grains, bricks and for plugging. Students, have you seen polo? It's a game similar to hockey. But in this, people ride horses rather than running to goal. Bicycles and rickshaws are used to travel short distances, whereas cars and buses are used to travel long distances. Khardangla in Ladakh, in Jammu and Kashmir, is the highest motorable road in the world. Which is the highest motorable road in the world? Khardangla in Ladakh. Its height is 18,380 feet. So, let's conclude for today, students. Read the topics taught today and underline all the hard words. Thank you, students. Stay safe, stay healthy.